Hi, my name is Eva. I'm 22 years old. Actually, I'm an artist. I just graduated from Pro English Drama School, which was a perfect experience for me. I'm doing art to live my emotions from my past experience and to create something that will show my inner light in this world, because not that it hard times now, but I think this world needs some light and human connections with their hearts. So I just want to create this штучка thing. Yeah. And skills, I can communicate with people really good. I am good in team working. Yes, that's all.